Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing a walking tour in Kobe Nankinmachi, or Kobe Chinatown, which is located in central Kobe and is the center of the Chinese community in the Kansai region. It was developed by Chinese merchants who settled here near Kobe port. So the port was opened to foreign trade in 1868. This popular tourist attraction has two main streets that run through the district, meeting each other at a small plaza in the center. The streets are packed with shops, restaurants, and food stands.
We're running through here. I saw the same thing. Big line up for this place. Yun. Yes, more of those oyster. Candy apple and strawberry. To see the lineup for the deep fried oyster.
That was one of the videos I saw, Kobe State Heat.
Yeah. Something's going on.
So this is the central location where the two streets intersect.
And there's so many places to go. Oh, look at the lineup for the Kobe beef. They lined up for Kobe beef there, no? Huge line. Must be good. No line up here. guy, there's no one. I saw these chicken balls or whatever. Arcade. Shooting arcade. Pig.
神田まん、豚ちゃんまん、小籠包、おいしい、どうぞ。どうぞどうぞ、いらっしゃいませ。
いらっしゃい。出ます。食べ歩きでいい。JR and rail.
初めて見た私。セブンティーンアイは知っとるけど。
All the side streets, stores.
どんどん出てます。今揚げたてね。お召し上がりいかがですか。神戸コロッケで。いかがでしょうか。南京町にある神戸コロッケ。揚げたて熱々美味しいコロッケが食べれます。さあいかがでしょうか。ご利用くだ
Got
さい。
cheese, you want to try?
さあご利用ください。
This cheese one. Yen cheese. Okay.
お願いしますね。熱々。揚げたて熱々のコロッケ食べて。
Super hot or not bad? Good?
I can't taste the middle. I think that one's chicken and cheese.
Yeah. The outside's chicken.
Chicken and cheese. That one's pretty good.
Yeah. I could taste the cheese.
いかがでしょうか。揚げたて熱々コロッケご利用ください。
I don't like this.
No?
I can't even take it out. Not bad actually, but
Oh, I almost dropped it.
What's that one? Are they both the same?
chicken and cheese.
There's a corn in it.
Yeah, corn and cheese.
Yeah. It's okay. How you like that thing?
That's good.
That one's better. They're eating the leftovers.
The strawberry one was better though.
Ribs are juicy.
That one, the chicken one's better than the one with the corn.
No, I like the
That's what she called fruit stick.
やばい。ターバンする。
どうぞいらっしゃいませ。どうぞ。
기분 나쁘네?
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment, and hope to see you in our next video.
We went to it all.